classic rock Hellraisers and Headbangers.
Ozzy's Boneyard
On Sirius XM.